Is your CapCut video preview not loading or showing a black screen on your iPhone? This usually happens due to low storage, temporary app glitches, or corrupted video files. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the CapCut video preview not loading or black screen issue. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure your videos are not corrupted, you have a stable internet connection, remove unnecessary layers, and after these, try the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear CapCut cache. Open up the CapCut app, then tap on the profile icon or Me tab. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Next tap Clear Cache below. Then tap Confirm, and it's been cleared. Update the CapCut app. Open up the App Store, tap on the search icon from below, type the app's name. Now find the app and tap on it. If you see any updates available, then update the app. And now check whether it works or not. Now go ahead and reopen any CapCut preview. Hope your problem is solved by now. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.